Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Clipchamp for screen recording and trimming step by step clearly. To get started with Clipchamp, visit the official Clipchamp website. Once the site loads, look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to follow any password requirements displayed on the screen. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from Clipchamp. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Clipchamp website. Once redirected, you may be asked to log in with your new credentials. After logging in, you might be prompted to select a subscription tier. Choose the tier that best fits your needs, whether free or paid. After making your selection, fill in any additional information required. This could include your name and specific usage preferences. Once you complete the form, click on the Create Account or Finish button. Congratulations, you have now successfully registered with Clipchamp. To start screen recording, access the Clipchamp dashboard. Look for the Create a Video button and click on it. You will now see various options for creating or recording videos. Select the screen recording option from the available choices. Follow the prompts to choose your screen or application to record. When ready, click on the Record button to begin your screen capture. After finishing, review your recording in the Clipchamp editor. To trim your video, use the timeline at the bottom of the editor. Drag the ends of the video clip to adjust the start and end points. Once satisfied with the trimming, save your changes. You are now ready to continue editing your video or export it as needed. Feel free to explore other features within Clipchamp for further enhancements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.